Stop wasting time on algebra the calculator already does. The digital SAT hands you Desmos, and most students never touch it. Today, I'm giving you the full playbook, 7 moves, every question type. Learn these once, and Section 2 stops being scary. Lock in. Trick 1, the vertical line. Here's the problem. 5x minus 9 equals 26. Don't solve it, type it. Paste the whole equation into Desmos, equals sign and all. Boom. A vertical line appears at x equals 7. That line is your answer. Any one variable equation works like this. 0 algebra, 0 mistakes. Trick 2, systems of equations. You've got y equals 3x minus 4 and y equals negative 2x plus 6. Substitution, elimination, forget both. Type each line into Desmos on its own row. 2 lines pop up, and they cross exactly once. Tap that gray point. It lights up at 2, 2. That's x and y, done in 8 seconds. Trick 3, parabolas. Take y equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. The SAT loves asking for roots, vertex, y-intercept, all of it. Graph it, then tap the gray points Desmos already marked. Roots at -1 and 3. Vertex at 1, -4. No factoring, no vertex formula, no completing the square. One graph answers 5 different question types. Trick 4, the tilde, my favorite key on the keyboard. You get a table, x1, 2, 3, 4, y5, 7, 9, 11. Click the plus, add a table, punch in the numbers. Then type y1 tilde mx1 plus b. Desmos instantly says m is 2, b is 3. Line of best fit, no slope formula, no work. Trick 5, statistics on autopilot. The list is 4, 9, 12, 18, 22. Don't add these by hand. That's where careless errors live. Type mean, open parenthesis, the list, close it. 13. Type median the same way. 12. Desmos also does quartiles and standard deviation. Every stats question on this test is a free point now. Trick 6, absolute value. The question everyone half answers. Absolute value of 2x minus 5 equals 9. Type it exactly like that. Desmos draws 2 vertical lines, x equals -2 and x equals 7. 2 lines, 2 solutions. By hand, most students find 7 and forget -2. The graph physically won't let you miss one. That's the point. Trick 7, inequalities with shading. Say you need points that satisfy y greater than or equal to x over 2 minus 3. Type the inequality, and Desmos shades the whole solution region. Now, check the answer choices. Whichever point sits inside the shaded zone wins. You're not testing 4 points by hand. You're just looking. Shading turns inequality questions into a game of darts. That's the full playbook, 7 moves, 0 wasted seconds. The College Board gave you this tool, hoping you'd ignore it. Don't. Open Desmos tonight. Run each trick twice, and it's yours forever. Subscribe for a new SAT math drop every week, and grab the free cheat sheet below. Lock in. I'll see you in the next one.